The Retina Recessed Fixture from Trenz is everything you need in a directional downlight. With a 30-degree tilt, 360-degree rotation, and a wet location rating, Retina is ideal for your home's general lighting, from outdoor soffits to the kitchen or bathroom. Plus, all electrical work is done below the ceiling, so you can always see what you're doing. Before we get started with the install, there are a couple things you'll need that are not included: a drywall saw, measuring tape, plastic grommets, and electrical wiring. Please note that the fixture must be wired in accordance with local electrical codes and ordinances and should be done by a professional electrician. As a safety precaution, double check the power is off from the electrical panel before starting the installation. Before we get started, we have already connected the electrical wire to our wall switch and ran it over to where we will be installing the fixture. Locate your predetermined position to place the fixture and cut an approximately sized hole for the fixture. You can use the cardboard the fixture comes with as a template. Bring your electrical wiring through the cut hole. Open the hardwire box cover. Remove the knockout and add plastic grommet so you can insert and connect the electrical wire. Once all connections are made, place the wiring and connections back into the box and close the cover. Now, we're going to put the hardwire box into the ceiling. Note, for new construction applications, the hardwire box should be firmly secured to studs, joists, or similar fixed structural units. We suggest using the new construction mounting plate for ease of planning the location of all lights. Alternatively, for remodel applications, the hardwire box is not required to be firmly secured after the structural units have been concealed. Simply insert into the ceiling. Ensure the quick disconnect cable connected to the hardwire box is below the ceiling and connect it to the fixture with the easy twist and lock connection. If you're installing the Retina Pro, select your color temperature by adjusting the switch on the back of the fixture. Then, push spring-loaded clips on the fixture upwards and insert the fixture base into the mounting hole. Release the clips and the fixture will be pulled flush to the ceiling. Assembly is now complete. Turn on the power to confirm the fixture is working properly, and enjoy! The Retina Pro is a multi-purpose, color-selectable, dimmable, wet location-rated LED downlight with a lifetime warranty. For more information, please visit trenzlighting.com